Run-on sentences, also known as fused sentences. Sounds pretty serious, and it is. These errors, run-on and fused sentences, are not your ordinary punctuation errors. That's because fused sentence or a run-on sentence indicates a violation of what is called sentence boundaries. In other words, someone will question, does this person really know what a sentence is? It is definitely one of those errors that you want to avoid at any cost.
What is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence contains independent clauses that are not joined correctly. Here's an example. The athletes trained every day. The conditioning coach helped the entire team. To correct a run-on, first identify the independent clauses. The first clause is, the athletes trained every day. The second clause is, the conditioning coach helped the entire team. Let's correct our run-on sentence now with a comma splice. The athletes trained every day, comma. The conditioning coach helped the entire team. A comma is not sufficient to combine these two sentences. Our first option is to separate the two parts with a period. Now they are both sentences. Let's look at the next method. If we separate the clauses with a semicolon, we don't have to capitalize the second clause, and the two seem more closely related. Third, we can add a comma in coordinating conjunction, which is one of the fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Notice that the conjunction comes after the comma. Fourth, we can change the phrasing so that there is only one independent clause. In this example, the second clause is rephrased. The athletes trained every day with the conditioning coach, comma, who helped them achieve a high level of fitness. In this next example, the first clause is changed and the second clause remains independent. Because the athletes trained every day with the conditioning coach, comma, they achieved a high level of fitness. Please reach out to the Writing Center for more help with run-on sentences.